Do you ever wonder why your money disappears at the end of every month, no matter how much you earn? That's because you don't control your money. Your money controls you. Today, in just 3 minutes, I'll explain what personal finance really is, why it's so important, and how you can start today. And hey, if you find value, make sure to subscribe. Personal finance is simply how you manage your income, expenses, savings, and investments. Think of it as a roadmap or GPS for your money, guiding you toward financial freedom. Most people believe higher income means a better life, but here's the truth. If you don't manage your money, even a huge salary can vanish by the end of the month. On the other hand, with proper planning, even a modest income can build wealth over time. Let's take an example. Suppose you earn $1,000 per month. If you spend it all, you're left with zero. But if you use the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and investments, then over a few years, you'll build a strong financial foundation. That's the real power of personal finance. So remember, success isn't about how much money you earn. It's about how well you manage it. The people who master personal finance today are the ones who achieve financial freedom tomorrow. In the next video, I'll explain the difference between assets and liabilities, a concept that can completely change the way you see money. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.